This video teaches you how to sort 2 or more columns of data based one column in Google Sheets. Open your Google spreadsheet in your browser. If you want to create a new spreadsheet instead, click blank in the upper left side of the page instead. Select the columns you want to sort. If you opened a new spreadsheet, enter your data before continuing. Click Data. Click Sort Range. Select a column to sort by. If the selected columns have a header in the first cell, check the Data has a header row box here as well. Select an order. You can pick ascending order, alphabetical numerical order, by clicking A to Z, or you can click Z to A to sort in descending order. If you'd like to add another sorting method, click the plus, add another sort column link. You can remove extra sorting methods by clicking X to the left of the method. Click Sort. Doing so will sort all selected data according to the column you chose. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.